As summer comes to an end, this is the perfect time to clean up, assess your garden, and plan for the fall gardening season. So today, we will break down some essential steps you may want to take. Stand by, y'all. First up, you will want to assess the health of your trees and your plants. If you spot unhealthy plants, it's best to remove them to prevent spreading disease or pests throughout your garden. Using organic methods like neem oil and insecticidal soap to eliminate pests may also be a consideration. Remember to encourage beneficial insects. They will help manage pests naturally, making your garden healthier overall. Pruning your perennials is also advised. Trimming back spent blooms not only tightens up the garden, but it also encourages new growth for the upcoming season. Next, you may want to tackle those pesky weeds. Weeds compete with your plants for nutrients and water. After weeding, you may want to consider applying a layer of mulch. Mulching will help suppress future weeds, as well as help your soil retain moisture. Now it's time to clean up debris. You may want to clear away fallen leaves, dead flowers, and plant debris. This not only keeps your garden looking tidy, but it also reduces the risk of pests and diseases overwintering in your garden. Remember to avoid composting any debris that is diseased. You may also want to consider testing your soil's nutrient levels. Based on the results, you may want to amend your soil with compost or organic fertilizers to prepare for fall planting. This is also the time to collect those delicious tomatoes, peppers, and other late season veggies. You may also want to use this time to start planning for your fall garden. You should consider your layout and crop rotation to maintain your soil's health. Creating a planting schedule based on your local climate and frost dates will help you stay organized. Cleaning and checking your garden tools, irrigation, and other equipment for needed repairs in preparation for the fall gardening season is also essential. By following these garden cleanup tips, you'll set a strong foundation for a productive fall gardening season.